The AMP G5 ControlPro LED Spotlight is built for durability, flexibility, and performance. Made from solid cast brass with durable black powder coating and enhanced fins for heat dissipation, this fixture delivers optimal longevity in any outdoor environment. The new modular design allows for easy replacement of the LED module, minimizing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. It delivers adjustable white temperatures, perfect for tailored illumination. With swappable 60-degree and 38-degree lenses, you get professional-grade flexibility for both wide coverage and focused lighting needs. Seamlessly control dimming, zoning, and color temperature adjustments with the AMP RF Remote Control, sold separately. A 25-foot lead wire and Wago connectors make installation quick and hassle-free. Reliable, efficient, and built to last, the AMP G5 ControlPro Spotlight is a must-have for professional outdoor lighting projects.